Good morning, children. Myself Kiran Yadav. I'm your English grammar teacher of class 3rd. So, welcome to your English grammar class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. So, children, our chapter lesson number 2, topic singular and plural, part 2. So, in our previous video, we have discussed the two rules. First is by adding s, and second is that words that end with ch, sh, ss, o, z, x, s. We add es in the end. Okay. Now today we are going to start third rule of the lesson, singular and plural. So now let me explain how we can change this singular to plural. So here third rule is adding ves. Now we will add ves in the end to make plural. So we add ves to some nouns that end in f or fe to make them plural. So children, जो भी वर्ड्स है जो लास्ट में जिसमें एफ और एफ ही वर्ड लेटर होगा वर्ड्स के एंड में, तो हम उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए एफ और एफ ई की जगह क्या ऐड करेंगे? वी ई एस. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? द वर्ड्स एंड्स विथ F or FE, we will add VES to make it plural. Okay, like knife, KNIFE. So here in the end is FE. So children, here you will remove FE to make knives, to make plural, and we will add VES. We will remove FE and we will add VES. Okay, like this. Leaf. Now we will remove F and we will add VES. It will become plural, leaves. Leaves. Okay. Next is wife. So here last letter is FE. So now we will remove FE and we will add VES to make plural. It will become wives. Okay. The words that ends with F or FE, we will add VES to make it plural. Got it, children? Now next, fourth rule is adding IES. When a word ends in Y, we usually drop the Y and add IES to make its plural. So children, there are certain words that ends with Y but has a consonant word before it. So you will remove Y in order to put IES. Like baby. See, here is Y. So now we will remove Y and you can see before Y it is consonant. B is consonant. Vowels कौन कौन से होते हैं? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So here is consonant. Y से पहले क्या होना चाहिए? consonant होना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो जब भी consonant होगा तो हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? IES. और चिल्ड्रन, अगर वाई से पहले वोवल आता है तो हम सिर्फ उसमें सिंपल एस ऐड कर देंगे. ठीक है, वो भी हमारा रूल है, वो हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. सो फर्स्ट इज़ कि कॉन्सोनेंट होना चाहिए पहले इसके पहले. ओके, मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ. बट हैज़ ए कॉन्सोनेंट बिफोर Y. Okay, so next is baby. तो Y we will remove and we will add IES. It will become babies. Story, here is also before Y R is consonant, so we will add IES. Stories. Okay, like this. City. So here before y is consonant, t is consonant, it will become cities. We add ies, it will become cities. Okay, so children, now we will solve some exercise also. Okay, so first will be exercise. हम VES और IES के एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. ठीक है, सो thief, wolf, lady, cherry, calf. Okay, so first is thief. So children, in the end, in this word end, what's the letter? F. And we have already discussed about if word ends in F or FE, we will add VES into it. Okay, so now we will add VES because there is F, so we will add VES. It will become plural, thieves. Like this wolf, here is also F, so now we will add VES into it, wolves. It will become plural now. Okay, now lady, Y in the end, and before Y it is consonant, D is consonant. Now we will add IES, ladies. Like this, cherry, Y, before Y is consonant, R is consonant, so here cherries. Calf, in the end is F, we will add VES, calves. Okay, like this we will make singular to plural. Third rule, we add VES to some nouns that end in F or FE to make them plural. And fourth is adding IES, that there are certain words that ends with Y and but has a consonant before Y, so you will remove Y in order to put IES. Got it, children? Okay, so that's all for today, children. Please practice it, please learn it, go thoroughly, read thoroughly and solve these words. Okay, put some words and try to solve it. And thank you, have a good day.